Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial I'll take you through on how to cast off in knitting. So to begin with, I'll push the stitches close to the end. Then I'll pick my right needle. I'll pass it through the first stitch and I start knitting like normal. I'll begin by passing 2 stitches from the left needle to the right needle. Then after, I'm going to stitch over the first stitch which I did over the second stitch on the right needle. Stitch over the first stitch over the second stitch on the right needle. I'll tighten it a bit and off the hook. I'll tighten it again I'll pass through the stitch. I'll pass the needle through the stitch and I'm going to pass it through to the right needle. Then after, I'll stitch over the second stitch on the right needle and off the hook. I'll tighten it a bit. Repeat again. You insert the hook in through the stitch and then you're going to knit it like the normal knit stitch, and then you use the left needle to stitch over. I'm using my left index finger to push the needle downwards so that it makes my work easier. So this is how it is coming along. The pattern is coming along. It forms a pattern on the top. Repeat this again. You stitch over the second stitch. This pattern, this knit stitch pattern, I did it on my previous video. You can go ahead and check it out. Push downwards using my index finger and off the hook. I'm doing this for the purpose of demonstration. Full tutorial is coming soon. Full tutorial on making an outfit will be coming soon on this channel. So I had to do this pattern for you so that you can get the basics on how the knit stitch is being done, the purl stitch and how to cast off. I did 3 separate videos on this so that I can show you the basic on how to do this pattern. So on my next video I'll be showing you on how to make a cardigan using knit stitch and a purl stitch, so it will be easier for you to get this pattern. Repeat this again, the same process. Stitch over the second stitch and off the hook. So this is it, guys. You can see the pattern at the top. It forms a pattern. So on the back of this tutorial is a purl stitch. This pattern, the purl stitch, I did it on my previous video. Again, you can go ahead and check it out. Repeat this again. And guys, if you like me to do any type to crochet or knit any type of outfits, you can comment it on the comment section and I'll go ahead and do it for you. Just let me know the type of an outfit. Maybe it can be a cardigan, it can be a sweater, it can be a crop top, a beanie, and so many. A skirt, shorts. You can just comment it on the comment section and I'll go ahead and do it for you guys. Coming along, this is my last stitch. Repeat the same process. Now on the last stitch, I'll cut off the working yarn. This is what I call a working yarn. I'll cut off using a pair of scissors and I'm going to pass it through the stitch. And then I'll tighten it to secure the end. So this is it, casting off in knitting. As I had told you earlier, this front pattern is called a knit stitch and the back pattern is called a purl stitch. I did it on my previous video. You can go ahead and check it out. So guys, if you like this, please subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on the next one.